Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about how to install iOS 26 beta in iPhone. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, make sure your internet connection working properly. After this, go back, scroll down and you can see option here screen time. Tap on it. After this, scroll down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off this. After this, go back, scroll down again and tap on general, scroll down and you can see option here VPN and device management and check if any VPN is connected, turn off VPN. After this, open Safari and search here betaapple.com. Scroll down and you can see option here sign in, tap on sign in. After this, sign in your Apple ID here. After this, go back and your problem will be solved. Thanks.